Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe a polite person you know. You should say who the person is, how you know this person, and explain why you think he or she is polite.
Sure, I'd be happy to help you with that. One of the polite persons I know is my friend John. I met him in college, and we have been friends ever since. John is one of the most polite and courteous people I have ever met. What I like about John is that he always greets people with a smile and goes out of his way to help others. He is always willing to lend a hand, and he never complains. John is also an excellent listener and always makes an effort to understand other people's perspectives. I think John's polite behavior is due to his upbringing. His parents instilled in him the importance of treating others with kindness and respect, and he has carried those values with him throughout his life. His polite nature is reflected in his interactions with others, making him very likable. Whenever I'm around John, I feel comfortable and at ease. His polite demeanor creates a welcoming atmosphere, and it's a pleasure to be around him. I aspire to be as polite and courteous as John, and I believe he is a great role model for anyone who wants to learn how to treat others with respect. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.